In this video, we're going to learn about how to place notes in drawings using drawing automation and in iLogic. So here are two examples of basic notes. This general note is, well, it's just a general note, and this one has a leader line on it. So we're going to look at code on how to place these type of notes automatically. So if I go ahead and open up the iLogic rule on notes, we'll look at what that code looks like. So first, as with most drawing automation, we got to grab the drawing document. So we'll call this application.active document. We'll grab the active sheet on this one. We're not going to add a new sheet. We're just going to place it on whatever sheet we're on. And then we'll do the general note. So we're going to choose to addFitted in this case. And I need to go ahead and create a point. Now in this one, I haven't made my own transient geometry object to use, so I'm just going to call it live from this application, .create point, pass in the point where we want to place this. And I'm just going to put some text down. So you can see this is a string in between two quotes. This is a general note. When I want it to have a carriage return or an enter to the next line, I append it with the and give it the Visual Basic carriage return. That's what the VBCR stands for. And then give it the line on the next, which, this case says we can do multiple lines. Next, I wanted to show kind of editing. So here I'm grabbing the first item of general notes. So if you make multiple of these, you'll just be grabbing the first if you copy this code. But I'll grab the first one here, and I can change the text to read something else. So I added a line that says, we can edit it like this. Next, let's look at the leader version of this. So to add a leader line to notes, we're going to make actually a leader note, and we need to create leader points. So first, we're going to make an object collection. This is Inventor's way to just have a bunch of objects, to collect objects. It's an object collection. And so we'll create one that's empty. We're also going to create our text so that we can just pass that in as opposed to doing it inline like we did for the general note. Then we need to make leader points. So our leader point object collection, we're going to call .add, and we're going to create some points. So we just used our create point 2D, pass in a couple points where we want the leader line to point to and to bend. So this first point is where the point's going to be, and then this is every bend along the way. So we can put in as many leader line points if we want this to zig and zag a bunch. Hang on one second before we keep going. If this is your kind of content, KETIV Virtual Academy is where we share a lot more of it. Live webinars, new releases, learning resources. We're pushing close to 40,000 people in the community, so come and join us. Now, the last thing we do is we actually make the note. So we dim up a leader note just in case we want to save it and access it later. And then we're going to call mysheet.drawingnotes.leadernotes.add. And we're going to pass in those leader points object collection that we made and added these two. And then we're going to pass in the text. And that's really all there is to it. So when we save and run this, you can see we made two additional notes over here. We have our general note and our leader note.